Welcome. This is our complete 200-liter beer brewing system. We use a gas-fired steam boiler, 50 kilograms per hour, provide stable heating. The malt mill comes up to 100 kilograms per hour, simple and efficient. A 500-liter hot water tank and a plate heat exchanger ensure fast and quick water cooling. We have 4 fermentation tanks and 1 dry beer tank for flexible production. The cooling system includes a Glycol water tank and a chiller. And this pipeline, this is the ice water outlet with a yellow pipeline, and this is the ice water inlet with green pipeline for a easier distinguish. This powerful CIP unit and digital control cabinet makes the brewing easier and more efficient. This 200-liter brewing system is ideal for starting a brewery with quality. We are here to support you from start to a brew. So contact us today.